Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. As you all know, my name is Pascal Landry, and today I'll be teaching you on how you can use your midnight bundle in the midday. So please stick to this video, watch it to the end, and then you'll be able to use your midnight bundle in the daytime. So before we continue, I'll urge you to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. So as I already said, we're going to use our midnight internet bundle in the daytime. So let's move into business. So first of all, our first step will be turning on our flight mode. Turn on your flight mode, and then the second step is that we are going to settings. Go to settings, and then after settings, scroll down, and then go to system. Select system. After selecting system, I want you to go to date and time. So over here, listen clearly, because over here we're going to do settings. We're going to reset all this up so that we can be able to use our internet bundle in the midday. So what we will do here is that, as you can see, automatic date and time. What we do is that we switch it off. Then after that, go to set date. We are going to set ahead of the day. So select 28. Okay. Go to set time. And over here, listen keenly. Over here, we're going to set it in Ghana. Here, I'm a Ghanaian. So in Ghana here, we use midnight from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. So you those who are in other countries, you can also set it to your midnight time. So over here in Ghana we use 12, so let's set it to 12:30. okay, so over here I know some of you may be finding it difficult to understand, but when you see down here, you can see use a 24 hours format. So we switch it off. So over here we can now set it to AM, so that most of us will get to understand. So as you can see over here, we have automatic time zone. So we don't want any automatic time zone, so we switch it off. So over after that, as you can see, a select time zone. Go to select time zone. So this time zone is actually selecting, as it will determine where our location is, and then how we can also use our internet, our midnight data. So this will also help us. So let's move down. So I'll be selecting Tokyo. So over there at the select time zone that will be able to help you, that will set the time ahead of Ghana's, or the time zone you are, so that you will be able to use your midnight internet bundle. So after doing that, what we'll do is that we'll move back, then we cancel this, then we'll move up here, then we'll clear everything here. Okay, so we are clearing everything so that our phone will not bring us back to the normal time and date which we were. So now over here, as you can see here, the time has gone back. It has gone back. So what we do is that we go back to settings. Then we go to system, date. We come to set time, and make sure we set it to our midnight. Let me use this. So as we decided, should be 12:30. So that's it. And so now we have 12:30 here. We have 12:30 here. Good. So what we do is that we clear everything. We make sure there's no any running up in the background. So okay, that's good. So what we will do next is that we switch off the phone, then we on it back. So remember, do not use reboot, but use switch off, and then after switching off the phone, you on it. So let's do that right now. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see, I've switched off my phone and I've on it. So the phone is starting. As you can see, 12:32 a.m. The date is set to the next day. So what we do is that the next step we do is that we will switch off the flight mode. But before we do that, I will urge you to download a recommended app that I recommend for you. That's Easy Tunnel, which you those who watch the other video, you see that I use Easy Tunnel. The video titled how I use 50% internet bundle for 48 hours. So when you watch it, you will understand what Easy Tunnel is and then what it can do for you. So what we do is that we go to Easy Tunnel. But it's not compulsory to go to Easy Tunnel. But why I'm saying that you should go to Easy Tunnel is that it will help to sustain how you use your internet bundle on your phone. So as you buy your internet bundle, it will help you on how you use it. So the thing is that if you don't want to use Easy Tunnel, you can go ahead and then off your flight mode. After offing your flight mode, I'll be using Easy Tunnel. So as you can see over here, it's still loading. So I'll be using Easy Tunnel. So after offing your flight mode, you on your data. After owning your data, okay. So our data is on. So you can also try it. But before I use our Easy Tunnel, let's test it so that we can verify and know that this method really works. So please, I've watched many videos around, and then many people do this kind of video, but it doesn't really work for all phones. But this method I'm showing you works for all phones, especially Android. So please watch this video and then listen keenly, and then you'll be able to do this by yourself, and you can also use your own distance, your own internet midnight in the daytime. So you can do that exactly like the way I use it. So I think I was already having issues with my YouTube app, and then I have to fix it. But don't worry about it. You can test it on a different app. You can test it on our Instagram. We all know that Instagram too also consumes a lot of data. Just like the way YouTube consumes a lot of data. So let's try it on our Instagram. Okay. So as you can see, it's already loading. As expected. So we are actually using our midnight. Data. Our midnight data in the daytime. Can you imagine this? We are actually using it. In the daytime. We are actually using it. We're actually using our midnight in the daytime. Can you imagine this? Oh, that's awesome. So please like and subscribe to this channel. You know that I've been on social media, and then I've been helping and other stuff, but please like and subscribe to this channel, because I really need for this channel to grow, for me to discover many things to share to you guys, share free knowledge to you guys. I'll please urge you to like and subscribe, because I really need you guys to subscribe to this channel. So please do not scroll, do not go about searching for other things which will not end up favoring you. This is the right method for you. And then please like and subscribe to this channel, and then I'll urge you to also follow me on my social media platform, which I use Pascal Landry on Pascal Landry niche on Instagram. I use Pascal Landry niche on YouTube. I use Pascal Landry niche on Facebook. So please follow my social media platforms, where I'll be posting my reels there. So you can also learn from my other social media platforms apart from this YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video.